That tiny, hardened plug of oil that's been living on your nose for 3 days. It's time to let it go. Today, we aren't just washing our face, we are performing a release. And I'm going to show you exactly what that feels like. You know the feeling. You wake up, you look in the mirror, and the first thing you see isn't your eyes, your smile. It's that texture. It's the tiny bumps that catch the light when you're out with friends, or the roughness you feel when you're trying to fall asleep, obsessing over every imperfection. It's not just skin, is it? It's insecurity. It's the feeling that no matter how much you scrub, you just can't get clean. This routine isn't about a quick fix, it's about a ritual. It's about patience, texture, and release. Think of your pores like tiny, delicate pockets of silk. We aren't here to rip anything open. We're here to coax the congestion out so gently that your skin sighs with relief. So take a breath with me. Let's wash the stress away one layer at a time. Morning routine, the gentle wake up. We start in the morning, the calm before the storm of the day. I want you to feel the water. Cool but comforting, waking up your senses. Now the cleanser. This is a water-based gel. Look at that texture. It's like liquid silk. Slide it between your fingers. Feel that slippery, honey-like consistency. Apply it to your damp skin, circle gently. No pressure, we're just clearing the dust from the night. Now rinse. Feel the water sliding over the gel, taking the residue with it. Pat dry, don't rub. Now press this toner into your skin, tap, let that hydration sink in. Finally, the SPF. This is your shield. Spread it like butter on warm toast, smooth, even, calm, you're ready for the world, the satisfying night routine, the main event. But nighttime, this is where the magic happens. Step 1, the release. Take the oil cleanser, look at it. It looks like honey, but it moves like water. Apply it to your dry, tired skin. Hear that? That's the sound of the day melting away. This oil binds to the sebum in your pores, the blackheads, the dirt, the pollution. But we aren't washing it off yet. We emulsify. Add a little water, watch it turn milky white. Now rinse. Round 2, the foam. Take this soft, dense foam. It feels like a cloud, like whipped cream for your pores. Gently massage this into your T-zones. Now, for the extraction. This is the moment you've been waiting for. High retention moment, the extraction. Look closer. See that tiny blackhead right there? Just sitting on the surface. I'm going to apply the gentlest pressure. There it is. Watch as it slides out, completely intact. Feel that release? It's like letting go of a worry you've been carrying all week. One down. And now, the pore is empty, but we don't leave it that way. We respect the space we created. Bonus value in myth busting. We're going to fill that freshly emptied pore with hyaluronic acid. This isn't just moisture, it's healing. And while we let this sit, I want to bust 2 myths. Asterisk number 1, pores open and close. They don't. That's like saying your eyes open and close without lids. We just soften the oil inside them. Asterisk and number 2, you need to scrub to get rid of blackheads. Please stop that. You are just causing micro tears. We use chemical exfoliation like salicylic acid to melt the oil from the inside out. Realistic expectations. Now I'm going to be honest with you. If you think this is a one-night transformation, I'm here to bring you back down to earth. Skin turnover takes about 28 days. Do this with me tonight, and once next week, and again the week after. By week 4, you will look at that mirror and you won't see imperfections. You will see pores that are clean, clear, and at peace. Be gentle with your timeline. Thank you for watching.